We will guide you through how to restore the default Windows 10 File Explorer folder icon. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows search bar on your device and wait a few moments for the search field to load before entering any text. Type File Explorer into the search bar. When File Explorer appears in the search results, select Open to launch the application. Wait until File Explorer finishes loading completely before continuing. Once the window is ready, locate the folder whose icon you want to restore by browsing to its location. Select the folder that you want to change back, then right-click it to open the Available Options menu. From the menu, select Properties to open the folder settings. In the Properties window, open the Customize tab to view the available customization options. Find and select the Change Icon button. Click the button to open the available icon options for the selected folder. In the icon window, look for the Restore Defaults option. Select Restore Defaults to return the folder to its original Windows icon. After restoring the default icon, click Apply to save the change. Wait a few moments while Windows updates the folder appearance. Once the process is complete, the folder will display its default icon again in File Explorer. Check the folder to confirm that the original icon has been restored correctly. The restored icon will remain in place unless you choose to customize it again later. You can repeat these same steps for any other folders that have custom icons and need to be returned to their default appearance. This process changes only the folder icon and does not affect the files or folders stored inside it. The folder icon has now been restored to its default appearance in File Explorer.